In this video, I'm going to go over preparing your paper for printing. So the reason why we need to prepare the paper for printing is so that each sheet, when I put it on to print it, will flop down in the same way each time. So there are different colors on these prints, and each color overlaps the color beneath it. So when I ink up this plate right here, it's going to cover another color, and then I'll clean it off, and then I'll print right back on the same sheet of paper over the top of the color that was just printed once I've carved out some on the block. So it's important that this paper flops onto the block the right way. It has to flop exactly in the same spot so everything that lines up. So in order to get things to line up, what I need to do is I need to make what are called registration marks. If you look at the back of this sheet of paper, this is the sheet that has my print on it, I have marked where the center mark on each of these sides is. So this is the middle, this is the middle, this is the middle, and that is the middle. And I marked where that is. I also marked on my printing block, if you can see, there's a line right here designating the middle of this side, a mark right here designating the middle of this side, right here designating the middle of this side, and right here designating the middle of this side. So when I flop it down, I can match up all of those marks, and I know that it's going to sit right in the center. And when I take it off and put it back on, I know it's going to always flop in the right spot. So I can actually tape it to line up all those marks, ink my plate, put my plate on here, and this will flop in exactly the same spot. Even if I take it off and I put it back on, I can line it back up and get it exactly in the same spot again. So we need to measure that and make that on your board.